this is 24 inches. This is 24. Spent $74. Okay guys, so I just got done getting my nipples pierced. Guys, it's your girl Des back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today's video we're going to be doing a week in my life. So it's currently Saturday, August 13th, 2:41. I am about to go to Target, so I'm gonna give y'all a picture. So I have this pretty little thing, self-love sweater, 2022 edition, and then I have these little leggings or shorts or whatever that I thrifted, like little workout shorts, and I think the blue just goes perfect with the sweater. Then I just have on some Crocs. So I'm about to head to Target and I'll see you guys when I'm in there. Okay guys, so I just got out of Target, got all this stuff, and I'll give you a haul when I get home. But I'm on my way to Plato's Closet so I can fill some clothes. So we got lunch, guys. Okay guys, so I'm back home and I'm about to give you a haul of what I got from Target. So I got the peppermint pure castor soap from Dr. Bronner's. I got this big one because this soap is really the best soap. It makes you feel so clean, has a tingly sensation, like it's just really good. If you know, you know. I got some toothpaste, the best whitening, and then I love these toothbrushes from Target. Like they're $1 for 2 and they're really good and cute. Then I got this micellar water. It's water rose micellar water, and it hydrates your skin while like removing makeup and cleansing your skin. I got deodorant 2-pack. I got this honey pot calming spray. So I just wanted to try this because I seen a girl on TikTok say it's really good when you have like a little something, so I'm gonna let y'all know. And then I got this lavender shower steamer. So it comes with 2 of them, and you just put them on the bottom of your shower when you're taking a shower, and it's just like an aromatic experience. So that sounds really good. I want to experience that. So oh, and I got a few other things, like 3 more things, and I spent $82 at Target. Like what the fuck, $82. But then when I was at Plato's Closet, I made $30. So you lose some, you get some. But I put my laundry in the washer. I'm about to edit a video, I think, and then I might see you guys tomorrow because I'm not really going to be doing anything today. So bye. Hey guys, so I just got done getting my lashes done. I went to a new lash tech to try her out and she did pretty good. And I'm currently getting my nails done by a new nail tech as well. So, yeah. Okay guys, I know you probably hate me because I be coming back to y'all with updates the next day. Like, it's the next day, but I know y'all still love me, so it's cool. So it's the day after I got my nails and my lashes done. The nails are so amazing, you guys. So amazing. And my lashes, cute. And I got my eyebrows waxed today actually, so they actually look a little thin. The fuck. Well, actually, I don't know, I feel like this eyebrow is lower than this eyebrow for some reason. Maybe I just gotta grow it out. Anyways, I went to Sally's Beauty and I got this really cute pink mini something, I don't know, what is this called, y'all? A crimper, whatever. This cute mini pink crimper. This is so cute, so cute. I also got a package from Victoria's Secret, so I'm about to open it on camera for y'all so you can see what I got. Okay, so hold on. Okay, I was like, I'm missing something. I'm missing something in here. Ooh, and I get $20 off a $50 purchase. Okay. Oh freaking K. Okay. So I got two Victoria's Secret bras. I got a white and I got a black one. I'll strip it over the white one just to see. This is like the push-up one. Oh yeah, this gonna do my babies good. I can't wait to put this on, y'all. I cannot wait. These are gonna be my go-to bras. And then I got some underwear. I'm gonna show y'all the ones that I was excited about, because why not? So I got this blue color because I feel like I don't have this color. Hold on. And it's gonna look so cute on me. So subscribe to OnlyFans if you want to see. But this is so cute. This is a really pretty blue. I also got this pink leopard pair. Lace Mommy. Ooh, these gonna eat fuck out of what? These gonna eat. What else? I got a white pair of the lacy ones. Ooh, I got these burgundy pair, and there's something about burgundy on me that I just love, bro. Oh, okay, I got these little cute leopard lace burgundy ones, but I could have swore I got the 5 for $20. Oh yeah, I did. And then this is just like a regular little nude set. And then I also got one of my favorite little Victoria's Secret little perfume mist, whatever. This is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Intense. That's how it looks. It smells so good, y'all. So good. I'm telling you. And then, for when I go on like trips and sleeping over a friend's house, I got this bag. Now, if y'all have been watching me for a little while, you know that I have the Victoria's Secret tote that looks like this, and the little suitcase for when I travel. So this is gonna be really cute when I do like pack with me videos. So this is just, you know what it is. Take this stuff out. So it's just basically a little pouch, and you know, you could put stuff in here, and then it has space in the inside, and it also has like little things where you can put stuff on the inside of this right here. So yeah, that's what I got from Victoria's Secret. I might be getting my hair done today, and if I do, that will be the next clip. If not, I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so I just got done getting my hair pressed out, straightened. This was given length of the rule here. Since the back, this is my cute hairstylist in the back. Okay guys, so the brand Elfin Hair sent me some tape-ins. So I'm going to show you everything that came in the box. So of course we have the actual tape-ins. I got the 80-piece straight hair, and this is pretty like a natural hair color, I guess, and I'm pretty sure it's going to blend with my hair. So this is 24 inches, and it's pretty long for 24 inches. Then they also gave me this little thing, so like when you do the tape-ins, basically it helps you. And then they also gave me extra tape, and then an instruction guide, and then an edges brush, and a rat tail comb. So we are about to install them. Okay guys, so this is the end result of the tape-ins. They are super cute, so cute. I gotta show you. So you know my hair is a little short, but I think we did really good with blending. And this is 24 inches. This is 24. It's giving 26 for sure. But this is what it's giving. Let me know what y'all think down below.
Okay, so
hey guys, so it is like kind of like a few days later, and my tape-ins are still looking really good. Right now I am about to get my toes done, so I'll probably record a little bit of that for you guys and then show you some results. Okay guys, this is the end result of my pedicure. I just got French tip because I feel like you can never go wrong with some French tip. They're just so cute. So yeah, get into the French. And today I have some things I need to do. I need to edit. I have to film a video, maybe two, I don't know, but film, edit. I'm going to Target today because I need to get some cash out. I'm about to get breakfast. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you a little fit check. I just got done ordering my food and I got some orange juice. Apple juice over orange juice every day. Argue with your mom on me. Okay guys, so I have this white little crisscross top from Shein. This pink purse from Shein. It's my lip liner popping out. Pink purse from Shein. Then I just have these shorts on and these slides. So this is the fit. Real cute, real cute. After this, I think we're gonna go to Target. Okay guys, so I got French toast and it comes with this little cinnamon butter thing, I think, syrup, sausage, bacon, hash browns, and toast. And I got all this for $12. It came with eggs too, but I don't like eggs. Here's a better look at the outfits. Cute. Okay guys, this is what I'm gonna be getting. Just some new bedwear stuff. Okay guys, so just got out of Target, spent $74, and I just got stuff for my bed. I also got 2 pairs of tights, so yeah. Okay guys, so I'm about to get my nipples pierced. I'm currently at the piercing place. It was $115, which is really gonna push me to get it because y'all know I'm scary. Like, I'm really scared, but I'm gonna do it. Okay guys, so I just got done getting my nipples pierced. I was biting on my shirt because it hurt so bad, bro. Like, it hurt so fucking bad. But she put like little purple crayon things on them. But whenever, I can't even show y'all, but just know I got my nipples pierced and they're cute. Maybe when they're like done, I'll take like a cute little picture. Okay guys, so now we're about to get Chick-fil-A because I need to reward myself after getting that painful ass thing, and it still hurts. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated.